Yeah, dear student, we continue with our chapter 8, sources of business finance, and our topic is factors affecting the choice of sources of fund. So, financial needs of the business are of different type, like long term, short term, fixed, and fluctuating. Therefore, business firm resort to the different types of the sources for raising fund. Clear? There are two types of the requirement of the firm, that is short term as well as long term. These are the two type of requirement of the funds for the business enterprises. Short term borrowing offer the benefit of reduced cost due to the reduction of idle capital, but long term borrowings are considered a necessity on many grounds. Similarly, equity capital has a role to play in the scheme for raising funds in the corporate sector. As no source of the fund is devoid of limitation, it is advisable to use the combination of source. Every mode of the loan, whether it is short term or long term, has got its own merit and demerit. So it is always advisable to have a judicious mix of both the type of funds. A number of factors affect the choice of this combination, making it a very complex decision for the business. The factors that affect the choice of source of the finance are briefly discussed below. So first is cost. So every finance comes with a cost. Every finance comes with a cost, whether it is short term or long term. So first cost is cost of procurement of the fund, and second cost is the cost of utilizing the funds. Both these costs should be taken into the account while deducting about the or deciding about the sources of the fund that will be used by organization. So there are two types of the cost. Cost is the cost of procurement of the fund, and second is cost of utilizing the fund. So both these costs are taken into the consideration while deciding to going for a loan. Second is financial strength and stability of organization. Financial strength and stability of organization. The financial strength of the business is also a key determinant in the choice of sources of the fund, because business should be in a sound financial position is to be able to repay the principal amount and interest. While deciding about the sources of the fund, you always take care of your financial strength and stability of the organization. If you are having a stable earning, there is no harm in taking a loan. Even in more loan you can take if you are having a stable earning. So that it can help you in realizing that you are able to pay the interest amount as well as principal amount on the borrowed funds. When the earning of the organization are not stable, fixed charge fund like preference shares and debentures should be carefully selected. These add to the financial burden of organization. When you are having unstable income, at that time it is not good to go for a debenture. It's because it is not going to help you. Because if you borrow a loan, take a debenture or issue a preference share, they will give you a fixed burden. So you have to carefully decide the mode of borrowing the fund. A judicious mix. Third, form of organization and legal status. Which form of organization, business organization and status influence the choice of sources for raising the money? A partnership firm, for example, cannot raise money by issue of equity share, as they can be issued only by joint stock company. Similarly, raising a fund through share capital or a debenture is not possible by sole proprietorship or partnership. It is the sole responsibility of joint stock company. So that thing will also be taken into consideration. Next is purpose and time period. The business should plan according to the time period for which the funds are required. A short-term need, for example, can be met through borrowing funds at a low rate of interest through trade credit, commercial paper, etc. For long-term finance, sources such as issue of shares and debenture are more appropriate. Similarly, the purpose for which funds are required need to be considered so that the source is matched with the use. For example, a long-term business expansion plan should not be financed by a bank overdraft, which will be required to be repaid in a short term. So always take care of the purpose for which the fund is required. Okay? Then risk profile. Risk profile, business should evaluate each of the sources of the finance in terms of risk involved. For example, there is a least risk of equity as the share capital is to be paid only at the time of winding up, and dividend needs not to be paid if no profits are available. A loan on the other hand has a repayment schedule for both the principal and interest. The interest is required to be paid irrespective of the firm earning a profit or incurring a loss. So consider a risk profile. If you are issuing a equity share, it is not a problem for you. Clear? Because you are not supposed to repay the amount till the company is going to winding up, or no, there is no need to pay dividend. But if you have taken a borrowed fund from debenture, you have to must pay the interest amount as well as principal amount. Okay. Next, control. A particular source of the fund may affect the control and power of the owner on the management of a firm. Issue of equity share may mean dilution of the control. For example, as equity shareholders enjoy voting rights. Financial institution may take control of the assets or impose condition as a part of the loan agreement. Thus, business firms should choose a source keeping in mind the extent to which they are willing to share their control over the business. Because some sources of the fund will impose a condition as to the use of the source of the fund. So let's always take into the consideration of this thing. Effect on credit worthiness. The main dependence of the business on certain sources may affect its credit worthiness in the market. For example, issue of secured debenture may affect the interest of the unsecured creditor of the company and may adversely affect their willingness to extend further loans as credit to the company. Okay, let's always take care of your credit worthiness in the market, whether you are able to raise further debt or not. Flexibility and ease. Another aspect affecting the choice of a source of a finance is the flexibility and ease of obtaining funds. Restrictive provision, detailed investigation and documentation in case of borrowing from banks and financial institutions. For example, maybe the reason a business organization may not prefer if other options are already available. Okay. Next is, last is tax benefit. Various sources may also be weighed in terms of their tax benefit. For example, while the dividend on preference share is not tax deductible, interest paid on debenture and loan is tax deductible and may therefore be preferred by organizations seeking tax advantages. Okay? So these are the some factors affecting the choice of sources of fund. This has to be taken into the consideration while deciding going for a loan. I hope this thing is clear to you. Thank you. If you are having any doubt, then you can let me know.